This is a withdrawal proof that was made from this app that I want to show to you right now. As you can see from the date, it is 17th of October 2025, and there is a lot of withdrawals that have been made from this app. That means this app is paying. Alright guys, so this app pays you for you to read novel, alright, and it pays you in dollars. Now you can probably withdraw using cryptocurrency, using recharge card, or by using PayPal. Hey guys, if you want to learn how to withdraw or how to make money from this app, do subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when I drop another video, you'll be among the first to get the notification from this particular video. And guys, the link for you to sign up on this particular app will be dropped in my Telegram community and WhatsApp community. Check the comment section for the link for you to access this app. So guys, let's go straight ahead. Let me show you how it works. I know a lot of people are wondering how you can be reading novel and then you still get paid. It is possible, guys. It is very, very possible. This is where you can do that. Alright guys, you have to stay to the end of this video because if you miss a step, you might not be able to make a withdrawal. So guys, these are novels written by people like you and I, alright? These are authors that wrote novels into this particular app. Now what this app does, it allows you to read a novel. Those of us that loves reading novel, this is the right time for you to read novel and then you get paid while you're reading novels. As you can see, these are novels that are written by people. So now we're just going to take a glance and look at what this app really have to offer to us. But first of all, let's go to me. When you click on me, it's going to show you the points that has been accumulated by reading this novel. Some novels in this particular app. As you can see, I have 500 plus there. So now let's check on enter invitation code. Right after you sign up, please go straight ahead and enter the invitation code, right, that was given to you from your referral. Paste it here and bind it, and then they will definitely give you a huge number of coin. Now let's go back to where we can start reading these novels. All right, so take for example, now I want to read. I'll click on the first one, and these are the content in the novel. This app will not enable me to display the complete content if I click on start reading, because it is only meant for this app to pay people that are reading directly from the app, not people that are screen recording. All right, so that is why my screen is blank, because I am screen recording. All right, so it will not allow me to show it to you, but you just scroll little by little and then you're done reading. So immediately you're done reading, the next thing you need to do is for you, in fact, just keep on reading. The more you're reading, the more you get more points. All right. Then, if you want to invite your friends, you'll be given 180,000 points. All right, per invitation. That is huge. And then you can convert those ones to money. All right. Now, let's go and check if truly we can redeem. Right. How we can cash out. Like I said from the beginning, you can cash out by what? Topping up your phone. As you can see here, top up phone. You can also cash out by what? USDT, which is what? Cryptocurrency. And you can also cash out by the use of what? PayPal. If you have PayPal account, you can also cash out. And then the minimum withdrawal is what? $5, which is very fair. I showed you a screenshot from the beginning of this video. That means a lot of people are making money from this app. So guys, go ahead and try. Check the comment section for the link to my community so that you can sign up. And guys, subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you on my next video. Bye guys.